How you going? Tonight I'm going to have pad Kra Pao for dinner. It's a Thai dish, pork mince cooked up with veggies and basil and with a fried egg stuck on top of it at the end of it. It's normally a street food breakfast type dish for Thai people. However, it's very popular and most little roadside restaurants will have it on their menu. You can have it at any time of the day. So anyway, let's take a look at what's needed. Got my prep done already. We got the pork mince. We got onions sliced up finely. Carrots cut into matchstick, little julienne shapes. I got some asparagus. Could use beans instead. Chopped chilli and garlic. We got the basil, just washed off, leave the leaves whole, goes in at the last minute. We got some soy sauce, we got some fish sauce, and of course we got the egg to go on top of it. So let's start cooking. Okay, make your oil nice and hot for a start. Then put in the mince. Give it a bit of a break up. Stir it around. You want to get it nicely sealed. Get rid of all the pink colouring. And you don't want to have big lumps of mince. I've pretty much broken most of it up. A couple of small lumps there, they'll break up further as we go. Most of the pink colouring is gone. A lot of liquid now coming out of the pork. Just leave it cook away until that evaporates out a little bit and a bit of the fat renders out of the mince. Doesn't take long, very quick meal to cook. Keep on stirring it up, breaking up the lumps as it cooks. Also push the mince to the side a bit so it's got somewhere for all the liquid to evaporate down. Alright, the mince is starting to sizzle a bit now. That means most of that liquid's been evaporated out and a bit of the fat's rendered out. So, in go the veggies. Chuck the whole lot in. They'll all cook pretty quickly. Give it a good stir up. And while it's cooking, heat up the oil for the egg. I've just swapped stove positions, leave the mince to the side a little bit on a slightly lower heat. Stick in the soy sauce. I'm using that Kra Pao again, mainly because that's what I've got. Fish sauce, good splash of that. Stir up. That'll now basically finish off itself. Oil's hot for the egg. In goes the egg. The sauces in the mince are now pretty much evaporated. We'll chuck in the basil. And turn the heat off on the pork. Give it a stir around. That's ready for serving up. Give the egg a bit of a flip over, just makes it a little bit nicer. Some people will disagree, some people will agree. I don't care. I like it flipped over. Turn the heat off. Now you got some of the pork mince. Start piling it up on the plate. And top it with your fried egg. That's it. Dinner's served. So now comes the proof, the taste. That's good. We'll get some egg on it this time. Nice big spoonful of mince with the veggies and chunk of egg. You're going to love it. 20 minutes start to finish. Catch you later.